All right, this is the front page of your 1-7 notes. We are going to go through and just remind ourselves about what all these things mean. So you need to write down what I've written down. Vertical angles are back to back. So when I have my picture and I've got two angles like this, my vertical angles are these guys. They make perfect V's when they're put together, okay? Linear pairs are two angles that are together on a straight line. Straight line, angle. They can be like perfectly 90 and 90. They can be an itty bitty and a big fat one. I mean, you can have like however you want as long as I have a straight line with two angles. Supplementary angles always add up to 180. So here I have my straight line, and I know that 1 and 2 have to add up to 180 because they're on a straight line. Sometimes they'll just be like this next to each other, and they'll have to have numbers in them. 140 and 40. 140 plus 40 equals 180. So these guys are supplementary too. The difference between supplementary and linear must be on a line. Supplementary can be on a line, or they don't have to be. Complementary angles are like supplementary, except instead of adding up to 180, complementary add up to 90. So I've got my 90 degrees, so that tells me that 1 and 2 are 90. They could look like this. And as long as they're labeled 30 and 60, although that'd be 60 and 30, my bad, then they are complementary. They don't have to have that right angle picture in them, but if they do, I automatically know they're complementary. And the last thing is adjacent angles. Remember that adjacent means touching. They have to touch the same side. So they could look like this, because 1 and 2 are touching, sharing that side. They could look, I ran out of room, like that. Oops, I don't know what I'm doing. Sorry. They could look like this because they're sharing that side. They just have to be touching a side. All right, flip back to the last page of your 1-6 packet. On this page, it's your 1-6 packet, last page. You're going to need to figure out the relationship between all the angles. So, in number 1, I want to know the relationship between angle 1 and angle 2. Let's remind ourselves what each of these means. Adjacent means touching. Vertical means they're across from each other and they make that perfect V. Complementary means they add up to 90 degrees. Supplementary means they add up to 180 degrees. And linear pair means they're on a line. So when I look at angle 1 and 2 in this picture, I see that they're across from each other, so they are vertical. Some of these are going to have more than one answer. So in number 2, you should check 2 boxes. In number 3, you should check 3 boxes. In number 4, you should check 1 box. Number 5, you'll check 2 boxes. Number 6, you'll check 2 boxes. Do this paper. When you are done, I need you to do C3 IXL in geometry, and that will make up all the work you owe. Thanks.